Good morning, people. It's Friday. Let's get it. Another day hustling. So prepare us in cooling. Let's go. What's up, people? Morning. Today's hustle. It's gonna be like 122 today. But anyways, we took the old condenser out. New condenser about to go in. AC Pro, you know we're gonna do a good vacuum with that. Time to breeze. Let's get it. Happy Friday. There you go. This way, you should put the fan, this unit facing the opposite way. You're pretty much throwing the fan to the wall and it's coming right back to the unit. Who installed this crap? What up, people? I know, cool. PGA West. It's fucking hottest day of the freaking year, probably. It's 120. Well, anyways, as you can see, got a unit down. When I walked up, I heard the compressor trying to start. So let's hope it's just that. Easy fix, easy money. Let's hope that's all it is. Anyways, stay tuned. Swift Repairs. There you go, people. Swift Repairs. Heating and cooling. It's up and running. Such this long. Look, it's getting cold. Let's get it. First call done. Back capacitor. Customer supplied. He said, Louis, I bought a capacitor. I need you to install it. Okay, sir, $100 for me just to connect two wires. He said, okay, that's fine. Here we go on my second call already. Easy one. This unit's shutting off on high head pressure. Well, I don't know if you can see in here, but these are micro-channel coils. These things run hot. A little bit of dirt. Now this thing is filthy. It's like chocolate milk coming up from the inside. I've said it before, and I'll keep saying it again because no one listens. Wash your units. Rinse them down. Go outside on a hot day. Cool down this compressor by rinsing your coils down. Could have been prevented if they had a preventative maintenance contract. Because this would have got washed last month probably. Well, now they're paying me $100 for service call, hour minimum, just for me to wash their coil when they could have did themselves. There you go. Unit's not shutting off on high head pressure no more. Line's nice. Swift Repairs, heating and cooling. Like, follow, subscribe, thumbs up, whatever. This is my third call. Nothing wrong with the unit. Unit's freaking, the line's cold, the pressures were fine. It's an older house. Single pane windows. Insulation in the attic, I guarantee is shit. Alright, with the primo solito.
Woo, freaking hot on me, Louis. Thank you, homeboy. What's up?
Alright, people. Another video. Yes, they're gonna pay me to wash these units. I posted a video a couple days ago about washing your units. This unit was filthy, honestly. I serviced this unit like 3 months ago. Well, look at all this dirt around this unit. It's been really windy. This unit was shutting up on high head pressure as well. good now. Swifty to the rescue. Let's go. Last call of the day for sure. Fuck that. See, people, that's what you guys need to do. Do this to protect your AC units from your pets, because the dogs do like to bite the wires and stuff. Look how clean this is. This is Coachella, bro. Just representing. Look at that. Some nice work. Whoever did this gate got down, bro. Access and everything. There you go. He's alive. This one's alive. This one's alive. We bring the dead back to life. Swift repairs, heating and cooling. Check us out. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. But we post most of our videos on the YouTube Yarda. El Swifty 760.